Dance at the Sugar Plum Fairy Piano Tutorial Level 3 PDF is a great page on my website, which is adultpianolesson.com. I'm just going to show you a little bit, walk you through it here. There is to begin with, a video tutorial that shows you how to play the piece. And first of all, this is a little excerpt of what the music looks like. It says level 3, so if you can read, if you've had a couple of years of piano and you can read both the right and the left hand fluently, about staccatos, how to play your hands several octaves apart and so on, you'll be fine. It does give practice suggestions. View the entire tutorial. Notice there's a key of E minor, gives you your hand position, and other practice tips. Just listen to a little bit of the tutorial to see what it's like. Here we go.
Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy, piano tutorial, and sheet music. This is a delightful piano arrangement for early intermediate piano student, I would say level 3. On the Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy, the very famous melody from the Nutcracker Suite by Tchaikovsky. It's been arranged here by Gilbert de Benedetti very well. It's 5 lines long in the key of E minor. So you're going to have 1 sharp throughout, and there are some other accidentals written in, mostly the D sharp in the right hand and the A sharp.
Okay, so that gives you an idea of how that goes, and then I do play the piece both right hand and left hand together. The link for getting the sheet music is down below here. No, it's right here. So if you click on that, and you click download and open, boom, there's the sheet music. And you can see the level of difficulty by just glancing at it. So everything that you need is on this page: the video tutorial, an excerpt, practice suggestions. It's a complete, basically piano lesson on the whole piece. I think you will really enjoy it. And so give me some feedback if you like it, and we'll see you on the next one.